Make a great choice today with the 2019 XJ. The Jaguar XJ has a strong, refined V8 engine, and the 6-speed automatic was very smooth, a true leader in their class. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: suspension control, electronic, air suspension, rear, driver adjustable suspension, height, power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, remote engine start, braking assist. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.